And the clamps seem pretty good. The spring in here seems real nice and tight when it comes back. So, you know, that's pretty cool. The extension part, you just pull it gently like this, or not so gently, and it extends. So, okay, that's pretty cool too. Let's put it back, and let's roll it over, and then there's a detachable remote right here. So, and like I said, it hooks up, it charges. I'm going to pause the video in a minute. I'm going to charge it, and then once it's charged, I mean, we'll go ahead and we'll try it. And then here's the tripod part of it. You can play around with this a little bit. Let's see. There you go. It's like that. Well, so far so good. I mean, it's nice. The legs, everybody complained the legs are flimsy. I don't know. They're okay. All right. I would not definitely put anything real heavy up in here, but it seems sufficient. And, you know, I'll try it in the morning and, you know, hook up the phone to it, and I'll complete the video then, because I want to give the little wireless charger time to charge so we can try it out. And so the next step here is you just slide this out like this, get your USB hooked up, and well, we'll charge it up. There it is, the light's on. And I'm going to pause this. I'm going to come back when it's fully charged, and we'll see how this thing works. So far, I'm impressed with it. All right, everybody, here we go with questions and answers. So, does it require a battery? No, it has a lithium battery in that little remote and a USB charger just to keep recharging it. Well, it's 7.9 inches long, and it'll extend out to 26 inches, rotates 360 degrees. You can use it for photos, live broadcasting, shooting videos. Nice little tripod. You can take it out in your garage, set it up, and do how-tos or whatever you're doing. So, comes in handy that way. Yeah, I know it says in here the range is 10 meters. Well, 10 meters is about 32.97 feet, so say 33 feet, pretty good. And it's got an 18-month warranty. It fully charges in 30 to 45 minutes, you know, after you hook up that USB cable. And it says it's got a 24-hour, you know, working time, or 3 months on standby. So that's in the specs. Those aren't things that I've tried, but I have tried charging it. And yeah, 30 to 45 minutes, it'll definitely be fully charged by then. On mine, when I hooked up to the USB charging cable, the red light comes on. It stays red when it's fully charged. Mine just goes off. I know in the description it says it'll turn blue. Mine doesn't. It just shuts off. I mean, totally. It's fully charged. Can you sync it with GoPro? Well, I read in the description, yes, you can. I don't own the GoPro, though. Everybody's talking about, you know, in the forum, will it fit this phone, that phone? I don't know. I'll leave the link below. It takes you to the Amazon site, and it's got 769 answered questions. Most of those are on different devices, and will it mount into this? So you'll have to read through them or do a search while you're in the question part of it, and maybe it'll pop up and tell you. I do know that it will fit an OtterBox. My wife's phone has an OtterBox, and it fits into the holder fine. I have a leather case. It fits into that also. But For specifics, you really need to read into it a little bit deeper on your particular phone. What makes the arm lock when you use the telescoping pole? It's friction. How do you change from wanting to take photos to videoing? Well, you do that on your phone app itself. It doesn't have anything to do, with the selfie stick or the Bluetooth. Can you set different angles when it's in the mount? Yeah, you can. Like I said, it rotates 360 degrees and it tilts up and down, like I showed you in the previous unboxing. What happens if you want to buy an extra remote? I don't know. You'd have to contact, Yoozon themselves and ask them. I'll try to remember to put up, the link right here for you to contact them, but that's what I would do if you need any parts or you have any problems or anything. I read they have outstanding customer service and they're very fast to respond. So I'll try to remember to leave that link here for you. How do you pair it? Okay, well, what you can do, you hold the button down for 3 seconds. Just hold the button until it starts flashing blue. Okay, what that means is that the Bluetooth part of the remote is on. Okay, then go over to your phone, go into settings, find your Bluetooth settings, and then look to see where it says Yoozon S10. Choose it to connect, and that's what it does. It connects and it pairs it, and you're done. That's how easy it was on my Samsung anyway. And the blue light should stay on, and then to turn it off, just hold down the button again, and it'll just shut itself off after about 3 seconds. So it's pretty easy to do. Just try it a couple of times. You'll get the idea once it's paired. Yeah, initially out of the box, what I found is don't expect it to come charged. It doesn't, or at least mine didn't. I had to hook up the USB cable, hook it up and charge it before I even tried using it. On mine for taking photos, I can use that, where your volume up, volume down button is. I can just press it and it'll act like a shutter and it'll take a picture. Or if you have it paired correctly, you just use this wireless remote. I don't know. I think it's the best value for like around $20. That you can spend your money on to get, a selfie stick, or you could take a look at it another way. It's also a tripod, that can extend up vertically, quite a ways. So it's pretty good and it's pretty damn handy and it's really compact. When this thing's all collapsed down, like I showed you in the very beginning, you can put this in your pocket with no problem. It takes up very little room. So really it's about the best value I've seen on selfie sticks. And I've looked around. Before the guy brought this to our meeting, I looked around quite a bit and I was never impressed with a lot of these selfie sticks. They just seem to me to be cheap junk, but this one is not. Yes, the legs are a little flimsy on there, but you can use, that vertical telescoping pole, to come down and also act like part of the base. It gives it a little bit more stability. But if you've got it extended all the way up 26 inches and, you're rotating and tilting it around, it may seem a little, flimsy, but so far it's worked out real well for me. That would be my only con on this. I wish they would have made, the feet on this a little bit more sturdy, but it is what it is, and I do like it. Last question here. How much does it weigh? Yeah, I took a look. It weighs 5.6 ounces. There's really not a lot of weight to it. It has the telescoping part of this is aluminum. It's kind of got like a gunmetal color. It looks pretty cool. All the way around, I like this. I would definitely buy it again. So this is just my review on this. If you're looking for one, I'll leave the link below. Just go ahead and click on it. You can read more about it. But, look, for me, I'll give it almost 2 thumbs up. Okay, the only reason I'm a little shy on that is the feet part of this. I haven't had a problem with it. But like I said, I wish they would have made them just a little bit more, stout. But, yeah, I would buy it again. Here's a picture I took off online. It's showing you the model number, that Bluetooth remote. Okay, you can see here, yes, it's got 360-degree rotation, just like it shows you in the picture. And we talked about that earlier. Here's a better picture I took off online just to show you the remote. Here's just another picture off of the web. It's just showing you the aluminum alloy telescoping part of it, and it shows you 225-degree flexion. So this is something I always look at. It's got 1,576 reviews, and from 3-star to 4-star, this is in the 90 percentile of people that really liked it. You can take a look at the 1 and 2-star and see what the dislikes are, but I think the vast majority of people really enjoy, having this selfie stick. So this was proof enough for me also, when I went back and looked at it, but it's a nice product if you choose to buy it. Okay, I'm the home handyman. I hope you liked the review on this selfie stick. consider, buying it. I mean, if you need something like this, it has a dual purpose. Like I said, it can also act like a tripod. Click subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you folks again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.